Hi, Jane here from Printing Brisbane, and today I would like to talk to you about magnets. We print a lot of magnets and we print really good quality ones. We can do cheap as well, but if you want them to stay on your fridge or on the filing cabinet or on their intended fridge or filing cabinet, then we recommend you actually spend a bit of money and get ones which are going to do what they're meant to do. So I'll just show you a few basic shapes that we do. So the typical squares and rectangles, business card size is really popular. And then you can get into the die cut shapes. So circles, we have a range of circles and ovals, and the interesting shapes. Tooth, hearts, telephones, vans and cars. So it depends on your business. You can really choose a shape which resonates with what you do and stands out from the crowd a little bit more. You can go for a completely custom die cut shape. And we've got a bunch of house templates in stock as well. So obviously really popular for real estate agents, but also anyone whose business focuses around houses, like cleaners or trades. These ones are excellent. They've got a small clip on them, which can hold shopping lists or receipts onto a fridge or takeaway menus. So it makes them quite handy and people are more inclined to keep something which is useful. These ones have a pull-out centre to make a photo frame magnet. Again, very handy and something that people are likely to keep. And this one's one of my favourites. It's a magnet, but with a notepad which goes through a slot in the magnet. So something that's really useful, people are likely to keep, and it's affordable. We can do a bunch of other magnets as well. We can do larger whiteboard magnets, which come supplied with a little whiteboard marker. Vehicle magnets, pretty much anything you can think of. So drop us a line. If you've got any questions about magnets, shapes available, the different prices, minimum orders, let us know. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.